how this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. I have Magic Mouse and Apple keyboard for my Mac Mini M2 version late 2023. So let's see this beautiful package beast. Lovely looking pack. Wow. From, let's see here, close, designed by Apple in California. Let's take this off. Beautiful looking mouse and the keyboard. If you want to authentic product from Apple, this is it. Here we go. Let me take out the Magic Mouse from here. Let's see. The build quality of Apple is one of the best. You can see aluminum. You have a button here. You can on and off, and you can charge to rubber. And the button, you can see the press the sound, lovely sound. It also has a touch sensor if you want to use. Lovely. I put one side. Here we have the keyboard here. Lovely keyboard, you can see here. You can see all the button, function key and all other stuff. Is a similar back side, you can see at the top. Let me take this off. Wow. Behind you can see Apple logo here, 2-4 rubber, very slim. You can see here, lovely size. Wow, beautiful. My hand, you can see how beautiful this keyboard here. The top aluminum build quality of Apple, one of the best in the world, I can say that. Lovely. What we have more in the box, here we go. Here we have lightning port, lightning charging connector. You see here, you can charge by your MacBook, iMac, wherever you want. Yeah, nothing else. Here more things. Take this off from this side. Lovely. Take this off from middle. Apple logo, 2 Apple sticker. You can see in this case. More information. You have a cotton to clean. Wow, this is lovely thinking from Apple. So this is unboxing of Apple keyboard and Magic Mouse. And if you want to, and if you are interested to watching unboxing of Mac Mini, check my video, check the video description. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.